guys, you're welcome back to this edition of the Rise Academy Facebook Ads. Okay, so in this video I want to talk about the issue you have created too many pages. How can you resolve this? And this happens mainly when you want to create your Facebook page. So it's even possible you just have one page and Facebook will keep telling you have created many pages. Well, this can be resolved. So I've seen a lot of people talking about how to resolve this by saying you can use a VPN, so the VPN will change your location and the rest of it. But stay with me to the end and let me show you a very simple and easy way you can use to create a new page that will be running right now. So what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and stay to the end. Watch this step by step and you're going to get everything that is necessary. Okay, so you're going to come to your Play Store. If you're an Android user, go to your Play Store. You're going to click on this Brave. It's a browser just like Chrome. Okay, so I do not want to update this, so let me just minimize and go straight and open it. So but if you do not have Brave, please, what you're going to see there is install. Do well to install the app, install it. Okay, so once you install Brave, then you come to this search bar, click on facebook.com, www.facebook.com. okay, you're going to log into your account. I'm going to give myself access, so just log into your account. If you do not have a Facebook account yet, you're going to do well by creating your Facebook account. Okay, so here in the Brave browser, I've logged into the account, to my Facebook page, my Facebook account. So I'm going to come over to these three hamburger lines, click on it, then click on pages. So once you clicked on pages, you see something like this. These are the pages I have. And I do not intend to create another page, but for this video I'll just use this to guide you through how you can create a page, right? So now when you get to this stage, you see this create new page. Click on that, create new page. So when you have seen this, then it means you're going to actually be creating your page. So what you need to do here, put in your page name, the name you want your page to be, the category, whether it is a restaurant that the page will be talking about, or advertising, or whatever. Put it there. Then a short bio of what your page will be doing. So once you're done putting in the details, you will see an option down at this side. You see an option for you to create page, and that is that on how you can create your page and maneuver the option of you have created too many pages. Okay, so try out this method and let me know if you succeeded or not. If you did not succeed, please do well to get back to me, but I'm pretty sure you're going to succeed with this because it has been working for me and it will work for you too. So use this and create your new page, and do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel on Facebook as well. Follow my page at Rise Academy, and also follow my profile on Chidimma Uwebu. Okay, so till next time, bye.